So this is MG-ZS and the blower motor does not work. Let's just confirm customer complaint. So we have, this one is temperature dial and this one is fan speed. You can see on the screen it goes up and down, but no airflow whatsoever. So customer complaint confirmed. Let's check what is going on. So I went straight to the plug and just wiggled it and it started to work. So it looks like the problem might be, well, most likely it is in this little connection here. We can see some threads here, and let's just disconnect. Oh, yeah, look at that. That doesn't look good. Let's take it out and see why. I'm gonna switch it off for now. And let's take this connector. It doesn't look like a huge issue. I think it's gonna be easy to fix this one. The blower motor works, so that's a good sign. I think it might be some corrosion or just contacts welded, because I cannot remove this plug. It's just stuck solid. I might need a screwdriver. And check this connector. It's all burnt inside, the same as the fan. The blower motor side is also burnt. That doesn't look very good. Alright, so let's see if we can repair this connector. Right, so this is the plan. We're gonna save this original male side pins. I've just removed this burnt plastic. Is useless now. It was there inside the blower motor, and I'm gonna preserve these male contacts. They are still good, so I've cleaned this one which was burnt, so it's nice and shiny, and we're gonna replace those ones, female side, and we are gonna remove this white connector completely, cut these wires and connect these ones, put these ones instead, because they are much stronger. They have much better beam pressure inside rather than this one. Check this out, how slim it is inside, if I can focus. So that's the original compared to a new one. You see how thin metal is on this original? This is why it blew. It got welded together, because there is not enough pressure applied on the male side. So this is going to be much stronger, much better connection. Alright, let's do it. Always need to try to slightly pull them out to make sure they are secured inside. You see, this one moves, so it's not good. This one is solid, so we need to make sure that we clean them nicely. Might need to adjust the tool a little bit. So what is a good practice? To fold it once, and then it's gonna be much better connection, because it's gonna be less resistance, much thicker connection. So I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, this is solid connections. Now the other one. It doesn't have to be waterproof because it's inside the car. Original connector was not waterproof, so we're just gonna do it as it is. It's gonna be nice anyway. Also added some heat shrink so they don't touch each other. So everything is done. This is how it's going to be. So solid. Even if you touch them, they don't really wanna come together. And I've put 2 layers of heat shrink, and it's very safe. Even if you touch it with your foot, they aren't gonna go anywhere. It's very tight. I had to hold it with pliers to put the connectors in because they're super tight. It's all done. Let's test it. So ignition is on. Okay, I can hear it already. Yeah, we have nice flow. Of course, it would be great if the manufacturer put a cover here, so obviously no one would touch these wires by foot, but it is what it is.